Yes, koro gise depend kata gi keto gitego tiyo kod yor mbui e yor timo ohala to infrastructure kaka mwandu no bro bedo ka wuok ka dhi e piny mamoko. Ahinya to mwandu makethore piyo, obed maua, obed alode, olemo to kata mana rech.
Ing'eni giwacho infrastructure nyadiriyo. Nitie digital infrastructure and road infrastructure. Digital actually platform tineno tichulo. Iwinja. Road mano called the government of the day. Kor ka by air or by road. Lots of infrastructure and ndara and that specific category their budget. Kor wano kawan a digital platform. Manyalo use gin to show gimantie and it will be digitally. Manage change. A digital intervention muketka. And then digital ka kor sani kata ka dio kine kiti mahala chon itero documents ito invoices indiko invoices lodging documents mark transport kito kamara chiel kor goods sani okete mamano sani ting muting single window ibeti office mari te lodge to single window to gichon angoma dware kitero moro Zambia na kibet ge ilo certificate moro kanyo rules of origin nyisi gi ka dware tichulo duto mane platform is my hama tichulo kisechulo ko goods work to the in that country mane digital technology much changing. In fact I what digital mopogore Joyce andiko book moro man Class and Legends into digital aspect to the book any some te bukanyo ti QR code iwinja I click tendo ka jiwoyo mane digital so any part of the world you can see it. Somewhere in YouTube, somewhere in YouTube, or contain QR scan, called Margoting digital technology. The world of Masani, digitalization or change. Kakasi mean going to see must got everything for you. And address book, and Guminyalu and capture and picture, and all the whole lot you do. Cut music, cut entertainment. Called Manta digital. Koro halamasani get talk of digital technology and the young men of today again that's the part of halabagatimu. For example, kadange kaka Zambia market na goods na the I don't doubt to the Zambia through the Google digital technology Google anyale no kamodi and hammer storage macha ngamba ngacha beneno storage mara tanyi said ka my goods kirigama koro digital we can see without going to some places manage digital aspect of gidani and then you go to regional chain regionally a region mag concentrated chain value chain Korobet kwa value chain kata mag services kata mag supermarkets kata mag supply of services kata goods koro timogino regional level and then talk inclusive sustainable growth it's digital make it be sustainable and the world mother sane digital your phone here has got everything everybody has got phone Kenya about 60 million people kila mtu ngi sim and sim is like your DNA now all the information ungoka kanyo in terms of invoicing, in terms of sending goods, in terms of also getting more information, in terms of entertainment, in terms of music, name it is all there. And conditions majoka don't tell goods can begin digitally.